Hi, this is Ayushi from Kanpur, and I'll go with my journey with my eye surgery in Vision Eye Center. So I used to have power of somewhere 6 minus 6 and 6.5, and I was wearing specs till 10 years, till 12 years. But when I came to Vision Eye Center, I was a little panic about the surgery, that I thought maybe there's any lenses will be inserted in the eye, or will I be able to be more comfortable later after the surgery or any time in my life. But when I came to this place, really all the doctors, maybe Dr. A.K. Grover or Dr. Tushar Grover or Dr. Apurv Grover, I had met all three of them, and they are really they have a very good experience into this eye surgery treatments and all. So whenever I come to them, I just got everything. First of all the drops and all, they use drops and all just to see that how my eyes are working before the surgery. And then later, when we took the decision of going for the surgery, I went for femto LASIK surgery. And I was a little panic on the day of the surgery, to be honest, because I was a little scared. I don't know how that operation theatre is going to look like. But when I got Dr. Tushar Grover in that operation theatre, I was very nervous. Then he just consoled me that it will be really very easy process and everything will be very smooth. The way they have support, it is really outstanding, because my nervousness point was at that high at that time. And the surgery went for not 1 hour also, I think 30 minutes it took. And later I was shifted to a room for at least so that I can be comfortable for at least few minutes. Then after 1.5 hours, I just went to the doctor. I got discharged from here, and then later I took the follow-up maybe of 2 to 3 days continuously. And now it's been 1 year from the surgery. It was on June 2023, and now it's been 1 year. I continue coming to them for the follow-up. I try to take the follow-up in maybe 2 months or 3 months, because I'm an IT sector professional, so I have a lot of screen time. So I really need to take care, and anything happens to my eye, in case any infection or anything happens, I just try to WhatsApp doctor. I just try to ping him that, oh, I'm having this problem. I try to share the pictures what is happening, but they really respond quickly. They tell me all the if there's any drop to be changed, anything, they directly tell me in the message, so I don't have to travel from my place to come here and then to consult doctor. So that is very, I think that's a plus point in any of the center. And apart from that, yeah, I'm feeling very very comfortable with my eye. It's just I would recommend anyone who is going for this LASIK surgery, they should use goggles for daytime, and any zero power glass that they can use maybe at night or evening if they are traveling anywhere. So this will help eyes to be protected, like there's no infection in the eyes. Then you have to keep some specs at least for 1 year. Just this is for your safety. Just use these precautions, that will be helpful. So yeah, I would highly recommend Dr. Tushar Grover, Dr. A.K. Grover and Vision Eye Center. Please come. And for any concern, not only LASIK surgery, I would say anything, if you want to go for your eyesight testing, or you want to go for any retina testing, anything, just visit this place, and these people are very humble. They'll support you in every way possible. Thank you.